Hey everyone, it's Kalyan from Kalyan Digital. Let's talk social media marketing. More leads, more customers, more growth. We all know it's essential, but diving into likes, shares, and algorithms can feel overwhelming. That's why I'm breaking down everything you need to know to master social media marketing. Today, we'll explore key benefits, must-have platforms, effective strategies, best practices, and common mistakes to avoid. This isn't just about theory, it's about getting you results. So buckle up, get ready to take notes, and let's turn your social media presence from good to unstoppable. If you're not leveraging social media to build brand awareness, you're missing out on a goldmine of potential customers. Think about it. Billions of users are active on these platforms every single day. Social media platforms allow you to zero in on your ideal audience by demographics, interests, and behaviors. You're putting your brand right in front of the people who are most likely to become your next raving fans. Increased brand awareness isn't just about getting your name out there. It's about building trust and credibility. Getting eyes on your social media posts is great, but it's only half the battle. You want those followers clicking through to your website, exploring your products or services, and converting into paying customers. Create content that grabs attention, provides value, and sparks curiosity. Engaging videos, eye-catching graphics, and compelling storytelling drive traffic. Don't forget the call to action. Make it crystal clear and irresistible. Building relationships that convert, the magic of enhanced customer engagement. Today's consumers crave connection, authenticity, and a personalized touch. Social media platforms provide the perfect avenue for two-way communication. This level of interaction is crucial for building strong, lasting relationships with your customers. Engaged customers are happy customers, and happy customers are more likely to become loyal brand advocates. Maximum impact, minimum spend. Embracing the cost-effectiveness of social media marketing. Social media marketing can be incredibly cost-effective compared to traditional marketing methods. With social media, you can create an ongoing presence, nurture relationships over time, and get more bang for your buck. You can invest in paid advertising to amplify your reach and target more specifically with better control over your budget and ROI. Data-driven decisions. Unlocking the power of measurable results. One of the biggest advantages of social media marketing is the ability to track and measure your results with precision. Most social media platforms offer built-in analytics dashboards that give you insights into your audience, reach, engagement, website traffic, and more. This data allows you to understand your audience better, refine your strategies, and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. By tracking your results and making data-driven decisions, you can continually improve your social media performance and achieve your marketing goals. Ready to level up your social media game? Remember, it's not about being on every platform or chasing every trend. It's about understanding your audience, creating valuable content, and engaging authentically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of digital marketing. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into specific social media marketing strategies to skyrocket your growth.